The era of the standard laptop is officially over. For years, we've been forced to choose between the portability of an Air and the raw, heavy power of a Pro. We've lived in a world where thin and light meant compromised, and powerful meant bulky. But Apple has just shattered that binary. They have reached into the future and pulled out a machine that shouldn't exist yet. This is the MacBook Neo 2. It is the successor to a lineup that redefined the mid-tier. But with this second generation, Apple isn't just targeting the middle. They are coming for the crown. This is the 2-nanometer revolution condensed into a chassis so thin it feels like a sheet of glass. Yet so powerful it makes the Mac studios of yesterday look sluggish. If you are a creator, a student, or a professional looking for the ultimate one-machine solution, pay very close attention, because the MacBook Neo 2 is the most disruptive piece of hardware Apple has released in a decade. And today, we are going to tell you exactly why you might never look at a MacBook Pro the same way again. The heart of this disruption is the M5 Neo Silicon. This is a specialized branch of Apple's latest chip architecture, designed specifically for a fanless, ultra-thin environment, but pushed to the absolute limit of physics. Built on the world-first 2-nanometer process, the M5 Neo features a logic density that we've never seen in a consumer laptop. What does that mean for you? It means 16 cores of processing power, 12 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, operating at a thermal envelope that produces zero heat. You could be rendering a 4K timeline in Final Cut Pro while having 50 Chrome tabs open and a Zoom call running in the background. And the MacBook Neo 2 will remain silent and cool to the touch. It is the silent assassin of the tech world. The power-to-weight ratio here isn't just industry-leading, it's industry-defining. But the real showstopper, the thing that will make you stop and stare every time you open the lid, is the edge-to-edge tandem OLED Infinity display. Apple has finally removed the bezels entirely. There is no notch. There is no island. By utilizing under-display camera technology that has finally matured, the MacBook Neo 2 offers a pure, uninterrupted 14.2-inch canvas. The tandem OLED technology provides a peak brightness of 2,500 nits, making it the brightest laptop screen ever produced. When you're working outside in the bright California sun, the screen doesn't just fight the glare, it wins. The contrast ratio is infinite, the colors are P3 wide gamut accurate, and the 120 Hz per motion is smoother than ever thanks to a new optical flow controller. It feels less like looking at a screen, and more like looking through a window into another dimension. Let's talk about the design language, because the Neo 2 is a masterpiece of structural engineering. Apple has introduced a new liquid metal alloy frame that is 40% stronger than aluminum, but significantly lighter. The entire machine weighs in at just 2.1 pounds. It's so light that you'll find yourself checking your bag to make sure it's still there. But it doesn't feel fragile. There is a density and a rigidity to the Neo 2 that screams pro. The keyboard has been refined with the Maglev 2 system, using magnets to provide a tactile, clicky response with zero physical friction. It's the best typing experience on any laptop, period. And the trackpad? It's now a full-surface haptic engine. The entire bottom half of the laptop deck is sensitive to touch, allowing you to click, scroll, and gesture anywhere, giving you a level of creative freedom that makes traditional